Hello students, this is my first video of web programming. Today I will be covering some basics before we start with web programming, and in today's video I will be covering the concepts web browser, web server, web pages, URL, hyperlinks, HTTP, HTTPS and the internet. Let's begin with the video. So let's begin with www, that is World Wide Web. World Wide Web is nothing but a collection of interlinked web pages, and these web pages are stored on the web servers. And how do we access these web pages, or how the user accesses these web pages? User accesses these web pages using the internet. Now, what is a web page, or what exactly the web page contains? The web page may contain text, images, audio, video, or hyperlinks. And how the user accesses this? Through the internet? Yes, but using the browsers. User can use either the computer or the smartphone to use the browser. Through browser, user can access these web pages. www was created in 1990 by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, and what does it use? It uses HTML to format the contents and HTTP as well as HTTPS to transfer that content. Let us have a look at different components of WWW, which stands for World Wide Web. The first component is known as web browser. Now, what is this web browser? This web browser is nothing but a software, and this software is used to access and display the web pages. Okay. What are the different examples of web browsers? Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, etc. And what is the function of the web browser? It sends the request to the web servers and it displays the web pages to the users. The second component that we are going to study is web server. What is web server? Web server stores and delivers the web pages to the users on request. The examples of web servers are Apache, Nginx, Microsoft, IIS. And what is the function of web server? It receives the browser request as well as it sends the HTML pages and the resources back to the browser, or we can say that to the users. The third component that we are going to study is web page. What is a web page? Web page is an HTML document, and these documents are displayed in a browser. There are two types of web pages. The first is known as static web page and the second type is known as dynamic web page. What is the function of the web page? It just presents the text, images, links, audio, video, means this information to the user on the browser. The next element is URL, stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and it is the address of a web resource on the internet. Example, if you see, this is an example of one URL, https www.example.com/index.html. What is this HTTPS and index.html? As we proceed, we will be learning each and everything about this URL. Okay, what is the function of the URL? It identifies the location of web resources. The next component is hyperlinks. These hyperlinks are used to connect one web page to other web pages. So here is an example of connecting our current web page to the page known as page2.html. And what is the function? The function is nothing but it enables a navigation between web pages. The next element is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and S means secured. Okay. And why do we use this protocol? This protocol is used to communicate between web browser and web server. The data that is transferred using HTTP is not secure because data is not encrypted. Example is HTTP example.com. Next is HTTPS. As I said, HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. S stands for secure. So this is a secure version of HTTP, and it uses the encryption, SSL or TLS to protect the data during transmission. Here data is encrypted, and if you see the example, you see here S is added. HTTPS, which is secure transfer. What is the function? It transfers the data over the web. Next element is internet. And what is an internet? Internet is the global network. Internet is the global network that supports www. And what is the function? It provides the connectivity between client and servers. In this video, I covered basic concepts that we should know before we start web programming. That's all for the day. Thank you.